In this video, we'll explore 10 must-have car gadgets that can make your driving experience easier and more efficient. Stay tuned to find the perfect tool for your needs. Number 1. High-temperature spray sealant. A versatile high-temperature spray sealant. This compound is specially formulated to seal joints exposed to high temperatures from -50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It is ideal for exhaust system gaskets, cylinder head connections, turbochargers, and other hot components. The sealant forms a strong copper film that fills all surface irregularities. It provides complete tightness and prevents leaks. Application is elementary. It is enough to spray the compound on the joint and let it dry. Apply on clean, degreased surfaces. Economical packaging in an aerosol can allow you to quickly and accurately apply the required amount of sealant. Number 2. Crankshaft Pulley Removal Tool Set. Tool set for crankshaft pulley removal from B-Tool includes a 50 mm diameter pulley puller and a 19 mm socket nozzle for the crankshaft damper bolt. The puller secures the crankshaft pulley, preventing it from turning when the bolt is loosened. It fits many Honda and Acura engines. The 19 mm bit is used for crankshaft damper bolts with this hex size. Tools are used with a 1/2-inch wrench. The deep counterweight reduces force and increases torque, making it easy to loosen even the tightest bolts. The compact design makes them easy to reach in hard-to-reach places. Made of durable alloy steel, the black coating protects against corrosion. This is a professional tool set for service work with the vibration dampening system on Honda and Acura engines. Facilitates crankshaft pulley removal and replacement. Number 3. USA Flag Window Sticker for Dodge Ram. This is a USA flag window sticker for Dodge Ram pickup trucks. It is made of matte black self-adhesive vinyl and is water and UV resistant. The image is printed with high-quality digital printing for long-lasting durability and clarity. It is difficult to see through the sticker to the interior, easily mounted on the glass of the pickup truck and just as easy to remove without marks. Quality and durable sticker will please for many years. Ideal solution for fans of tuning and patriotic symbols. Number 4. Exhaust Repair Kit. A great product that can be a real lifesaver for your car is the Exhaust Repair Kit. This fiberglass tape is impregnated with a special resin that provides a strong bond to different surfaces. A quick repair that forms a hard protective layer on the surface. Pour water into a bag of tape, squeeze out excess moisture, quickly wrap it onto the surface to be repaired, and voila! The fiberglass tape begins to dry. Just soak the tape in water for 3 to 5 seconds, and you have 5 minutes to start using the product. Then, another 20 minutes, and the tape begins to hold a load. Complete drying takes place in 12 hours. This tape is not only suitable for repairing exhaust pipes, but also for caulking cracks and seams, fiber optic cables, garden tools, and other surfaces. Practically universal. Number 5. Tactical Sun Visor Organizer. This is a universal tactical panel with fasteners, which is mounted on the sun visor in the car. The base of the panel has multiple horizontal elastic loops of different widths for attaching accessories. It also includes 2 vertical straps that can be placed in different locations to create additional slots. There is a separate ID pocket with Velcro closure. Inside is a mesh coin compartment and a horizontal card pocket. The pocket attaches to the panel or directly to the visor. The organizer is secured with 3 rows of Velcro made of durable 1000D double-layer nylon with neat stitching. Number 6. Mobile Battery Jump Starter. You see the Mobile Battery Jump Starter. A powerful 1500 amp peak current allows you to start the engine of a car or other machinery up to 30 times in a row. Suitable for gasoline engines up to 6 liters or diesel engines up to 5 liters, IP67 waterproof housing allows the starter to be used in rainy water. The built-in LED flashlight has 3 lighting modes: normal, SOS, strobe. It is useful for camping, picnics, emergency situations. This starter also serves as a compact external battery with high capacity. The power bank function can charge smartphones, tablets, and other devices from its battery. Charge your phones, tablets, and other devices at speeds up to 2 gigabits per second. 1 amp, To operate, connect the stylet to the starter, then to your car battery, and start the engine. Modern safety systems are applied, protection against short circuits, wrong polarity, overheating, and other critical situations. It is a reliable and versatile solution for starting cars with a dead battery. Number 7. Cargo Area Organizer for Ford Maverick. A cargo area organizer for the Ford Maverick that makes it easy to load and unload items. It mounts on the tail section of the body and slides outward like a drawer when the door is opened. Made of high molecular weight polyethylene with a non-slip lid, lightweight, durable, and waterproof. Protects the body from spills and dirt. Easy to clean with running water. Multifunctional organizer, suitable for transporting groceries, sports equipment, tools, fuel canisters, garden soil, plants, paints, and more. Number 8. Heavy-duty stabilizers, 9,000-pound capacity. A set of 4 stabilizers with a 9,000-pound capacity each. The stabilizers are made of 11-gauge heavy steel, making them the strongest among their counterparts. You can rest assured that your motorhome is safe and secure. The set includes 4 steel stabilizers as well as a 34-inch magnetic socket wrench that allows you to raise and lower the stabilizers faster with a screwdriver, saving you time and effort. The kit contains 16 pieces of 3 18-inch self-tapping screws with a matching 9/1 16-inch socket, 11 36-inch diameter drill bit, and drill guide stickers. Stabilizers have an extended height of 24 inches. Great for stabilizing and leveling a trailer at a parking spot. Number 9. Top-Down Car Battery Tester. Top-Down Car Battery Tester is an excellent value for money. It allows you to test 12-volt lead-acid batteries. It has 4 test modes, load test, voltage test, and 2 additional modes, startup and charging test, which are available through the app. The tester gives fast and accurate results, displays the battery charge level in just 1 second. Thanks to advanced technology, the measurement accuracy reaches 99.5%. The tester connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, opening up additional testing possibilities. In the app, you can view real-time voltage graphs and playback saved data. It has polarity and spark protection, as well as long clamps for easy testing. Number 10. Electric roll-up truck bed cover. This is a real discovery for all truck and pickup truck owners. RollTrack is an electric trunk awning that provides reliable cargo protection from adverse weather conditions and theft. The system is a set of aluminum blades that are mounted on the pickup truck's cargo bed and provide full cargo protection. The lamellae move along the rails and makes it easy and fast to load and unload the cargo. The accessory is straightforward to install and remove. It is attached to the load platform with special brackets that do not damage the paintwork surface and leave no marks. This makes it quick and easy to install the system and remove it when it is no longer needed. That wraps up our list of must-have car tools and accessories. Let us know in the comments which one you found most useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful car gadget recommendations. See you in the next video.